Now, I'm at the parking lot in Takinoue town. From now, I'm getting on a shuttle bus to the Phlox Park. This is a free shuttle bus. Now, I've arrived at this Takinoue Phlox Park. I've visited here 3 years ago, but then I couldn't enter this park because of the preparation for the COVID-19. So this is the first time to enter this Phlox Park. Tulips and moss phloxes are full blooming. This is the top of the moss phlox park. And this is Happy Bell. If you ring this bell 3 times, it is said you will be happy. And look at this beautiful panorama. May is the season of this moss phlox. Pink phlox soft ice cream.